TikTok, Facebook, just chilling with my fan. Hey, and my fans filled with high beats, flossing Gucci, Louis, and Nikes. Hey, just dripping while we flipping. On the microphone gives you ears a verbal whipping. And when you see me at the Grammys, my Gucci flip-flops match with my petty manis. Hey, now I'm trying to get paid, ain't coming up short the big Ed for 90 days. About to build my own empire. Yo, this is that fire, fire, fire.
And we about to get down now. We keep it real on the ground now. Just let the beat down now. We got the unique sound now. And we're trying to just deal now. Cause it's supposed to real now. Trying not to get killed now. And just can't see steals now.
Hey yo, Black Lives Matter, right? If you don't think so, you're probably white. If you don't blink, then we'll probably fight. Mean mugging me, I'll beat your ass on sight. I ain't tripping. Where we go, Casamigos, what we sipping. Hey, no chasing, no line. Relax your mind and understand that I'm one of a kind. The kind of girl you wanna wine and dine and make time. Still, I find this guy so cringy. Always trying to send me DMs to friend me. Trying to get with me, but they ain't getting any. It takes a real man with real life plans to win me. Ha, you little boys make me laugh. To my fans, one love. Please accept my verbal autograph. Mwah.
And we about to get down now. We keep it.
And it goes a little something like this.